Welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. 1,300 jobs to be affected due to government's decision to scrap pre-code of conduct vacancies. Around 2,500 jobs were created by Digambar-led government. Announcement of vacancies by June end, if any. Utah observes first death anniversary of Dilip Velip and Mangesh Kankar, says they will fight till their 12 demands are fulfilled. A year after agitation, wife of late Dilip Velip gets job. Two children of Dilip seek help, condition of the family deteriorating. Prudent meets family of Dilip Velip. Andhshraddha Nirmulan Samiti gets justice after 3.5 years. JMFC Ponda dismisses case filed by Sanatan Sanstha alleging defamation by the Samiti. And residents of Chimbal face scarcity of water. People dependent on nearby wells for regular supply. Problem persistent from last 2 days. And now the news in detail. Government's decision to cancel the post declared before election would result in scrapping of 1,300 posts. Prudent has learnt that Digambar Kamath government had created almost 2,500 jobs before the Code of Conduct came into force. Many of them were filled. However, status of 1,300 jobs is uncertain now. CM Parrikar has informed that job vacancies, if any, will be published once again by the end of June. Digambar Kamath-led government had passed 2,500 jobs before the assembly poll. Few of them passed their interviews and got the jobs. But more than 1,300 jobs were kept on hold by the Election Commission due to Code of Conduct. BJP government has, however, cancelled most of these jobs. With this decision by the government, almost 1,300 jobs will be cancelled. Here are the major departments where jobs will be cancelled. GMC 170, Mines Department 221, Electricity 127, Animal Husbandry 140. Government will review these jobs again, hence the entire process will commence once more. If these jobs are revived, advertisements will appear in newspapers by the end of June. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar. Utah agitation at Bali completed a year on Friday. This agitation turned violent due to the negligence of some highly placed government and police officers. Two youth, Mangesh Kankar and Dilip Velip, were killed in the agitation. Utah remembered the two youth on the first anniversary of the agitation. Utah has decided to fight till all their 12 demands are fulfilled by the government.
Set up ST commission by the statute was vested with all powers of civil code. Number 2, to set up independent tribal department and tribal ministry. Number 3, 12% budgetary provision made should be utilized only for tribals. 4, ST Finance and Development Corporation should be strengthened by providing adequate funds. 5th, implementation of Tribal Forest Act. 6, immediate filling up of backlog vacancies in direct recruitment as well as promotions. 7, implementation of 12% political reservation in assembly by considering present percentage of tribals in Goa, that is 12%. 8, to set up planning authority for STs. 9, implementation of post-based roster in government, semi-government organizations, autonomous bodies and private sectors. Number 10, to ban on the selling of land belonging to ST communities to non-ST.
प्रत्येकान आज मनात विचार हाडपाची गरज आसा की ह्या दोन्ही हुतात्म्याक, दोन्ही वीर शूराक आम्ही जर खरी जर श्रद्धांजली अर्पण करतले, खरी जर श्रद्धांजली वाहतले जाल्यार एकजुटीन नांदत, खांद्याक खांद घालून, हाताक खांद घालून सगळ्यांची सुख दुःख जी आसात आणि या समाजा खातीर झगडप ही पहिली मोख आसा.
तुमचे शिष्टमंडळ सुद्धा तांकां मेळ्ळे नंतर सुद्धा आमकां याद करून दिल्ले आसा. अवश्य तुमचे प्रश्न आपल्याक खबर आसात आपूण ते सोडोवपा खातीर प्रामाणीक प्रयत्न करता. म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकाराक 6 म्हयन्याच्या कालावधी भितर एक पॉलिटिकली रिजर्वेशन आनी शेड्यूल्ड एरिया हे जर सोडले बाकीचे प्रश्न हांगा सोडोवपा खातीर सुद्दां चडसो वेळ लागचो. आमकां खात्री आसा की ह्या सरकारा कडच्यान दुसरी गोष्ट आमच्या चळवळींतले एक लिडर जेंचे कडेन जे ट्रायबल खातें आसा ते बाब रमेश तवडकर हांच्या सहकार्यान आनी गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री जांकां ह्या एसटी बांदवाची आस्त आसा ह्या सहकार्याचे प्रश्न आमी 6 म्हयन्या भितर अवश्य सुट्टले अशी अपेक्षा दवरया.
A senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent Media. Dilip Velip and Mangesh Kankar were the casualties of the agitation. Prudent met the bereaved family of Dilip Velip on the first death anniversary. Government has given job to wife of late Dilip Velip, but the help hasn't reached yet to his 2 children. The condition of the family is deteriorating. An exclusive report.
Dilip Velip was murdered during Utta agitation at Bali on 25th May 2011. His murderers are still roaming free. Government has given job to wife of Dilip, but government still needs to provide help to his 2 children.
घरातले कमवणारो भुरगो अचानक गेलो सो तेजे फाटल्यान घरान एकुलतो एक भुरगो आशिल्लो तेजे फाटल्यान तुमकां कितें त्रास आसले आयज बीन आयज 1 वर्स पुराय जाता.
त्रास करीत आसा बापूय गेला 1 वर्साचो
आनी सरकारा कडल्यान कितें मदत मेळ्ळी तुमकां?
नोकरी दिली
नोकरी दिली म्हणजे आतां तेज्या जाग्या वयली नोकरी तुका मेळ्ळी.
वर्सां मागे पोत गेले वर्सां अशें आसा.
सो फाटले 1 वर्स तुमकां कितें सोंसले त्रास हे?
Meanwhile, Utta leaders say they would continue their agitation till the accused responsible for murder of 2 tribal activists and responsible for setting fire to Adarsh Cashew factory are arrested by CBI officials.
दिलीप आणि मंगेश यांचे जे खुनी आसात त्यांचे जे मारेकरी आसात आणि आदर्श आणि आचल ह्या संस्थेचे कोट्यावधी रुपये नुकसान करपी आसात ते सत्य आमकां जाणून घेवपा खातीर कोणी केला हें सुद्दां CBI सोदून काडचें.
25 मे 2011 ह्या वर्सा ह्या दिसाक बाळ्ळी हांगा उटाच्या आंदोलनान भितर दिलीप वेळीप ह्या तरणाट्याक मरण आयिल्लें. ताका आयज 1 वर्स पुराय जाता. तांची घरची परिस्थिती सामकी बिकट आसा. 1 वर्स पुराय जाता म्हणसर ताजो बापूय ह्या संवसारांतल्यान अंतरलो. दुख्खांतल्यान भायर सरता म्हणसर आनीक एक दुख्ख ह्या फॅमिलीक सोंसचें पडलें. सरकारान आपल्या पद्दतीन मदत करपाचो प्रयत्न केला. तेजे बायलेक सर्गेस्त दिलीप वेळीपाचे बायलेक सरकारी नोकरी दिवन पूण तितल्यांनी कार्य सोंपना. सरकार आनीक मदत कर. ह्या दिलीपाच्या फाटल्यान ताजे 2 भुरगीं आसा तांकां सवरपाक सरकारान आनीक मदत करपाची गरज आसा. हें कुटुंब ह्या दुख्खांतल्यान भायर सरतलें अशी आस्त बाळगिता. मोरपिल्लेच्यान हांव समीर भट, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.